The ultimate fatty liver detox, top 11 foods for regeneration. Today, we'll explore the top 11 foods that can play a significant role in detoxifying a fatty liver and promoting liver regeneration. A fatty liver can lead to various health complications, but with the right dietary choices, it's possible to promote liver health. Let's dive into the foods that can make a positive impact. Turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow-orange spice, is celebrated for its potent medicinal properties, primarily attributed to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant abilities, which are vital in combating liver disorders, especially fatty liver disease. The anti-inflammatory properties help in reducing liver inflammation, a common characteristic of fatty liver, while its antioxidant nature protects the liver from oxidative stress, a damaging process triggered by free radicals. Oxidative stress is a significant concern in liver diseases as it further exacerbates liver inflammation and fibrosis. Moreover, curcumin promotes the production of glutathione, a crucial antioxidant that plays a vital role in liver detoxification processes. By enhancing glutathione levels, turmeric supports the liver in neutralizing harmful toxins and promotes liver health. Additionally, studies have shown that curcumin can assist in the prevention of liver fibrosis, a common progression of fatty liver disease, by inhibiting the actions of certain proteins that contribute to fibrosis development. Incorporating turmeric into your diet could be a step towards supporting liver detoxification and regeneration, although consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable to determine the appropriate dosage and to ensure it's suitable for your health condition. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses that hold immense benefits for liver health. These greens are loaded with a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which combat oxidative stress, a detrimental process that can damage liver cells and exacerbate liver diseases including fatty liver. Additionally, leafy greens are rich in essential nutrients and minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, which support overall liver function and health. They also contain compounds that aid in neutralizing harmful toxins, thereby supporting the liver's natural detoxification processes. Another significant component found in leafy greens is chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for their green color. Chlorophyll has shown potential in binding to toxins and aiding in their removal from the bloodstream, supporting liver detoxification. Moreover, leafy green vegetables have a low calorie and fat content, making them an excellent choice for individuals aiming to manage their weight, a crucial aspect in preventing and managing fatty liver disease. Including a variety of leafy green vegetables in your diet can provide a nutrient boost and support liver detoxification, paving the way for better liver health and overall well-being. Berries. Berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and anthocyanins, which are known for their ability to combat oxidative stress. The liver is a primary detoxification organ, and its function can be hindered by oxidative damage caused by free radicals. The antioxidants in berries help neutralize these free radicals, supporting liver function and overall liver health. Additionally, berries like blueberries and cranberries have been found to have compounds that may help protect the liver from damage. For instance, studies have shown that the anthocyanins in blueberries and cranberries could help reduce the risk of liver disease. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your liver's detoxification processes and overall health. Beetroots. Beetroots are another excellent food for liver health and detoxification. They are rich in compounds called betalains, which have potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxification properties. The betalains in beetroots can help protect the liver from oxidative damage and inflammation, which are often associated with fatty liver disease. Additionally, beetroots contain a type of fiber known as pectin that can help cleanse the toxins from the liver, ensuring they are flushed out of the system rather than reabsorbed into the body. Moreover, beetroots support the natural detoxification pathways of the liver. They help in purifying the blood and enhancing the liver's ability to filter and detoxify the blood efficiently. Incorporating beetroots into your diet, whether in the form of fresh juice, roasted beets, or beet salad, can be a beneficial step towards supporting liver detoxification and regeneration. Carrots. Carrots are a nutritional powerhouse that can be a significant part of a liver detox regimen due to their high beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene is a type of carotenoid that the body can convert into vitamin A, which is essential for liver health. Vitamin A acts as a potent antioxidant that helps to protect the liver from harmful free radicals that can cause liver cells damage. Moreover, carrots provide fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive tract, supporting the liver's effort to filter and eliminate toxins from the body. The liver plays a crucial role in metabolizing the nutrients from the food we eat, and having a good supply of vitamin A can help ensure the liver operates efficiently. Incorporating carrots into a balanced diet can support the liver's natural detoxification processes and contribute to its overall health and function. Garlic. Garlic is often hailed for its numerous medicinal properties, and its role in liver detoxification and health is no exception. One of the vital components in garlic is allicin, a sulfur-containing compound known for its antioxidant, antibacterial, and liver protective effects. Additionally, garlic contains selenium, a trace element that is essential for the health of the liver. Selenium helps to enhance the antioxidant capacity of the liver, aiding in the detoxification process. Furthermore, garlic can activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins from the body. The sulfur compounds in garlic assist in liver cleansing by stimulating the liver to produce detoxification enzymes that help filter toxic residues from the digestive system. Incorporating garlic into your diet can boost the liver's ability to eliminate toxins and reduce the burden on the liver, promoting overall liver health and function. Ginger. Ginger has been esteemed for its health benefits for centuries, particularly in aiding digestion and alleviating gastrointestinal irritation. However, its benefits extend to supporting liver function as well. The bioactive compounds in ginger, including gingerols and shogols, exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which are crucial in protecting the liver from damage and oxidative stress. These properties help in neutralizing harmful free radicals that can accumulate in the liver due to various factors such as a high-fat diet, alcohol consumption, or exposure to toxins. Furthermore, ginger is believed to promote better cholesterol levels, which is beneficial since high cholesterol and triglycerides can lead to fatty liver disease. Additionally, some studies suggest that ginger might help in lowering liver enzyme levels, which is a positive indicator of liver health. Including ginger in your diet or as a supplement, after consulting with a healthcare professional, could be a step toward supporting liver detoxification and overall liver health. Walnuts. Walnuts are a nutrient-dense nut, packed with compounds that can be beneficial for liver health. They are particularly rich in the amino acid arginine, which plays a vital role in detoxifying ammonia from the body. Ammonia is a byproduct of protein metabolism and can be harmful if accumulated in high levels, making the liver's role in detoxifying it crucial. Besides arginine, walnuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce liver inflammation and prevent the progression of liver diseases. Additionally, walnuts contain antioxidants like ellagic acid, which helps combat oxidative stress, a condition that occurs due to an imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants in the body, potentially leading to cellular damage. Including walnuts in your diet can be a nutritious way to support liver function and promote its detoxification process, although moderation is key as walnuts are also high in calories. Apples. Apples are often considered a beneficial food for liver health due to their content of pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can assist in the detoxification process. Pectin aids in the removal of toxins and cholesterol from the blood, which in turn helps to protect the liver. By binding to and eliminating toxins from the digestive tract, pectin aids the liver in managing the toxic load during the detoxification process. Furthermore, apples contain various phytochemicals, like flavonoids and polyphenols, which have antioxidant properties that help protect the liver from oxidative stress, a common contributor to liver damage. The inclusion of apples in your diet can provide a simple yet effective means to support liver detoxification and overall liver health. Avocado. Avocados are hailed for their ability to support liver health, largely due to their nutrient-dense profile. One of the key nutrients in avocados is glutathione, a potent antioxidant that's crucial for liver detoxification. Glutathione assists in the neutralization and removal of harmful substances from the body, thus supporting the liver in its detoxification role. Moreover, avocados are rich in healthy fats and contain a variety of other antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help reduce liver inflammation and promote liver health. By aiding the liver in the detoxification process and providing a nutritional boost, avocados stand as a beneficial food for liver regeneration and overall liver wellness. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially the extra virgin variety, is known for its heart-healthy fats and its ability to support liver health. Consuming olive oil in moderation can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and even aid in the detoxification process. It provides a healthy fat source that's easy on the liver, as compared to saturated and trans fats which can contribute to liver fat accumulation. Additionally, olive oil contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly support liver detoxification and promote regeneration. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making any dietary changes, especially if you have a pre-existing liver condition. Remember, a healthy liver is a cornerstone of overall well-being, so take the right steps towards ensuring its health. Thank you for watching. For more health tips and insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.